Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, please remember, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So for this video, I wanted to go ahead and break down the bore snake or the bore camera. And so I showed you a little bit about the pieces that came together with this box right here. But I want to talk to you a little bit about it because it's actually fairly easy to use. And then I wanted you to see something on this one. On the actual snake line itself, there's no markings on it. It's just one solid color. And there's a way that I use this to actually mark how deep down the barrel I am of a gun. So I'm going to add a little something onto it. So for you guys that are new in the gun business, I know that you're going to be picking people's brains. And it's good. Okay, learn as much as you can. I highly recommend you guys, if you can, get yourself one of these little cameras. Now, this one is the cheaper version of it. I want to get me another type of camera that's a lot more expensive. I think I paid for this one, if I'm not mistaken, I think I have paid like 80 bucks or 70 bucks. I tried finding the receipt. I don't remember what I did with it. So it's actually very easy to use. This one works with your phone. And so the little features of it is going to be like this. So here's the camera where you're going to turn it on and off with. So you hold the button. It's on, fully charged. Now you turn it off also by holding the button. Now when you do hold the button, what lights up in the camera is going to be right here, this little piece, which is the part that has the light with the camera. This is what's going to go inside the actual barrel itself. So let's check it out again. You hold the button. It's on. Now, aside from turning it on and off, it's very easy to use. See, the light is pretty bright. If you press the button again, it dims a little. Dims a little, turns off, and you can have it again at full blast. So let's turn it off for 1 minute. Okay, so where do you recharge this at? Right over here. So it's USB connected. Put it into the back right here. Plug the other part into your outlet. You're good. Now, this piece over here, which is your camera with the light, if you run this one inside the rifle barrel as such, what it's going to do is it's going to go in and give you a shot at this angle, pretty much like this, coming right towards your face. So if you want to get a better look at your lands and grooves, or if you want to go ahead and check out to see if you have copper fouling or rust, this came with the camera. So the camera brought me 3 of them. And this just changes the reflection to a 45-degree angle. All you want to do is you come up here, screw it down. See it? Let's turn it on again. Same thing. You're going to press down on the button. There you go. See? Nice little 45-degree angle. So if you do spot something in the barrel, you want to get a better look or a close-up of it, it's right here. You install this little piece. And you bring it in. Now, what you can do, let's say that here's the barrel. As you go in and you want to look, you can rotate it. And by doing this manually, you actually make the camera go around. That way you can look very carefully at everything around your barrel. The only bad part about this one that I didn't like, let me turn this off for 1 moment. The only bad part about this one that I did not like is that because I didn't spend $200+ on one, because I did not spend $200+ on one, there's no actual markings on it. So as you're going through the barrel and you go, let's say this far, you find something on this side of the camera, there's no real way to tell exactly where. So once you go back out, you lost it. So what I recommend, if you do buy a cheaper version like this one, is try to bring some or try to get some electrical tape. So that way, let's say, here's your barrel. You enter. You start going all the way in, right? Bam, you found something right there. If you want to get a better look at it, you want to take it out, put the one that's 45-degree angle and go back. But you don't know exactly where you're at. So once you're inside and you found something right there, leave it where it's at. Take some electrical tape and at the very edge of it, put a little bit of electrical tape. That way you marked it on this line. So when you pull out the snake and you screw in the 45-degree piece, you're going to put it back in and go all the way up to where you put the tape at. And you should be right there in the same area. Now, once you are done with this camera, the camera did bring your wipes for you to clean it with. And it has a little cover. Always take the cover. Just put it back. Just another way to keep your stuff taken care of. And as putting cameras away, I know a lot of people don't mess with conduit or wires, whatever you want to call it. You have this nice big box, right? So take your wire and try to do this to it. Guys, please don't take the wire and fold it. It never works out. Once you do that, you're going to pretty much destroy your wire. Just put it right in here. Now, this one is a little bit of a pain in the butt. It's going to try to open up again on its own. So just play with it. Rotate it around. Okay, there you go. And put back your wipes. Your little 45-degree angles. This one brought me 3 of them. Just put them back into this little bag. Okay, there you go. You're all said and done. Put your camera away somewhere safe where it's not gonna get broken or damaged, and you should be good. Guys, this is gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys take the time to watch it. Please let me know what you think. If you haven't invested in one of them and you are new to the gun industry, I highly recommend it. If you have a bunch of firearms like myself and you do not have a camera, probably be really good for you to go ahead and hit up either Amazon or anybody else online and try to get your hands on one of these right here. They're amazing. Now that I ran the camera through my rifle and I saw that I do have some rust, I went ahead and I got some COP and I'm gonna go ahead and work on my rifle. And not just this one rifle. Now I'm gonna go through all of my rifles and see if I have any rust, and I'll get working on their barrels. Guys, I hope you all have a wonderful time and keep yourself safe out there.